How to merge dictionaries of dictionaries? I need to merge multiple dictionaries. Here's what I have for instance. With A, B, C, and D being leaves of the tree, like info 1 column value, info 2 column value 2. There's an unknown level depth of dictionaries. It could be 2 column, C column, C column, Y column, C. In my case, it represents a directory/file structure with nodes being docs and leaves being files. I want to merge them to a pane. I'm not sure how I could do that easily with Python.
This is actually quite tricky, particularly if you want a useful error message when things are inconsistent, while correctly accepting duplicate but consistent entries, something no other answer here does. Assuming you don't have huge numbers of entries, a recursive function is easiest. Note that this mutates A, the contents of B are added to A, which is also returned. If you want to keep A, you could call it like merge dict A, B. Agv pointed out below that you may have more than 2 dicts, in which case you can use where everything will be added to dict 1. Note, I edited my initial answer to mutate the first argument. That makes the reduce easier to explain.
You could try merge deep. Installation. Usage. For a full list of options, check out the docs.
Here's an easy way to do it using generators. This prints
One issue with this question is that the values of the dict can be arbitrarily complex pieces of data. Based upon these and other answers, I came up with this code. My use case is merging YAML files where I only have to deal with a subset of possible data types. Hence, I can ignore tuples and other objects. For me, a sensible merge logic means replace scalars, append lists, merge dicts by adding missing keys and updating existing keys. Everything else and the unforeseens results in an error.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.